So here we are again. Happy August, everybody. Just figuring out how to use this camera. So halfway through making this silicone mold for a Celtic mirror frame, which will be part 2 of the series, which has been long overdue. Just a quick update, and we got a mother mold being made in the process here, which is a dragon. There's quite a few pieces on that mother mold. And another leaf mold ready for mother molding. 1st of August here, and it's in the evening. What time is it here? 10 past 8 in the evening. Sun's out, quite warm. There's my herbs there, loads of them. Wild garden. Got Ratty there from Wind in the Willows to paint out. That's somebody's item that needs a upgrade. As you can see, the paint's worn off, so I'll do a video on painting Ratty there. He's off clay pigeon shooting. I don't think he's a hunter. So my niece visited the other day and she did this drawing of me and Astro Cat. We went to the arts and crafts group in Castle Carey and did some drawings. I did an Easter Island head. Perhaps I'll put some more drawing videos up shortly. So there's the Easter Island head and the reference photo. So while my niece was over, we did a hand life cast from Alginate using Crystal Cow R as our cast material. So I'll put the video up of that shortly. So that was a lot of fun with Hannah the Banana. Must get around to Mr. Alien as well at some point. Still got to put his tentacles on. So I got hold of this gas mask here and planned to sort of make this look like some sort of futuristic thing. So I might make it steampunky and jazz it up with some LED lights. There is actually that LED light behind that mask, which I made in one of the videos. Oh, where is it? So there it is. So what I was thinking about doing was blacking out the eyes with that tint stuff and putting some LEDs behind the actual eyes, perhaps in green. Anyway, that'll be up shortly, or the project hopefully will be up shortly. Oh yeah, I wanted to say that this mask is going to be a prop in a video, one of my music videos, along with some other props. So the props that will be made, I'll put on the Drama Mask Evolution channel, if I can, on how to make the props in the video. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about when I get the videos up. What are you doing, Trouble? Hey? You gonna say hello? Look at you. You showing off? Hey? Anyway, just a quick update to say hello, and I'll have some more videos up shortly. You're all happy, aren't you, Astro Cat? You want some food, don't you, eh? Anyway, see you soon. Thanks for watching. And over and out for now.